2017 Mazda 3. The Mazda 3 meets your vehicle wants and needs. Powerful and economical, technologically savvy, and boasting top safety features, the Mazda 3 is the total package and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, leather-wrapped steering wheel, front-wheel drive, electronic stability control, trip computer, day-night rear-view mirror, outside temperature gauge, body color door handles, engine immobilizer, smart device integration. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.